At Target Malaria, we are committed to proceed through key steps of our research with the agreement of the communities in which we work. In preparation for our next phase of work with genetically modified mosquitoes, we have updated our community agreement model. The new model builds on our previous approach whilst taking into account lessons learned from our first release of sterile male mosquitoes in Burkina Faso. Our new community agreement model sets out a framework for our teams to co-develop with local communities a process for decision-making about the release of our next type of modified mosquitoes. It takes into account the characteristics of these mosquitoes, such as the fact that they are fertile, that they do not carry a gene drive, and that their number in the wild mosquito population will quickly decrease following the release. It also considers elements such as how far the mosquitoes are predicted to disperse, or how long the genetic modification is expected to persist in the release area. As a result, one of the key features of the new agreement model is the differentiation between release communities, where the mosquitoes will be released, and monitoring communities, where only monitoring activities will take place. To ensure accountability to our stakeholders, the new model sets out 13 commitments that reflect our values and provide a common standard across the project for how the framework will be implemented in the field. The commitments cover how affected communities are defined and identified, and how information sharing and consultation should take place. They also include specific considerations around implementation, monitoring, and taking into account dissenting voices and minority perspectives. Our model continues to place the voice of the communities that are affected by our research at the center of decision-making, ensuring that agreement processes are co-developed with them. We learned from our work on the sterile male mosquitoes and broadened our engagement of external experts during the development of this model to ensure its legitimacy. National stakeholders will also be involved in the implementation of the model going forward. Finally, the model is designed to be adaptable to different countries and contexts and scalable should multiple releases be proposed. National teams will be able to adapt the model to cultural values and socio-political contexts while being aligned with the model's 13 commitments and the project's shared values. Our approach to community agreement has evolved over the years to reflect progress in our research and consider lessons learned. Whilst who is engaged and how they choose to make a decision about our work will change over time, we remain committed to responsible research, co-development, and open dialogue with stakeholders.